products on the environment, and you can always choose an alternative to that, which is not harming the environment, which is not a cruelty product. From the text, children, in India, like Doordarshan, DD channels, which now hardly anybody watches, there are many other news channels, newspapers and magazines. Most are privately owned, means it's a private. Each one may have its own political, social agendas and also economic interest, which they show through their media available to them. Hence, one has to be very careful and alert before believing any analysis. You must be aware about the news channels. So, whatever is their political agenda, whatever is their social agenda, it will reflect the way they report the news and the little bit of biasness you can see. So, it is you who has to analyze and you have to believe or go on further. One needs to look objectively at any news and draw his or own conclusion from it. So, blindly don't even accept whatever the news has to say. Now here we come across male image, male image, female image. Who has decided this? Male image has to be strong, sturdy, tall. A female image has to be slim, thin, fair, beautiful. Who has decided? In today's time, of course, it is taking a turn where people, still there are some who believe that, certain features or certain, characteristics you have to possess. So think about the heroes in the films you have seen. Do you wish to be like them? Have you ever tried to behave like them or imitate them? Which aspect of a hero or actor do you like to imitate? Most of the boys like to fight, to kick. Right, no? Yes. So tick the things that actors do. One, now these days, of course, it has become less. Smoke cigarettes, which in olden movies it used to happen. And that is why you used to find all the youngsters smoking cigarette. Drink alcohol. They are in depression. Heroine has given a break. So they'll go and sit in the pub and they will have a drink. Take or consume drugs. Fight physically. Try to attract the girls. Drive the vehicle with full speed. Carry out stunts at the risk of their life. Okay, on bike you will find all the stunts happening. So, all these things are not needed to show the male quality, right? So, there is no need of a image. Image has to be how good you are at performing your task, how good you are in your attitude towards life, towards others, how are you behaving, how well versed are you with all the happenings. And there are some more. Break the traffic rules. Wear stylish clothes, goggles, watches, etc. You can just add on the things to this. Just have a look at these advertisements. PFB bikes means just any name. PFB bikes for those who do not fear. Then you'll say, maybe nahi darta hai. So I'm going to buy this bike, that bike. All bikes are going to be the same. Some features will be different. DEF watches make an impression. ABC nutritional supplement only for clever children. So you go and buy that because you too want to be clever. Okay? If you sit and study, if you practice, you become clever. So children, this you're going to write down in your notebook. Traits or qualities of an ideal person according to you. What are the qualities an ideal person should possess? So you can write down 5 qualities of an ideal person in your self-development notebook. Think about this, children. Our country has produced many great men and women who not only courageous and capable, but they also fought to protect and provide justice for us. Were they particular having characteristic like tall, sturdy or very macho man? No. Simple human beings with simple qualities. But they did extraordinary work and that is why they became famous. So is it really that we need to do things shown in the media to be in the limelight? What according to you are the qualities of an ideal man or a woman, which already I told you. So you just write down ideal person, man or woman, no need. So ideal person. Now we talk about women's image. So a particular hero heroines will have particular image, okay, slim, trim, they will sing song. Nowadays they also started doing stunts, okay, that is a strong woman will do the stunts, right? Remember the TV serials and the films you have seen. So according to that, you tick the things. Sing songs, dance around the trees. Always look beautiful and wear costly clothes, shoes and jewelry. Get caught in danger and be saved by the hero. They can't save themselves. Plot against other women as shown in the serials. You must have seen Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi or any other serials. Obey the male members, father, brother, hero of the family. Whoever is a male, the female always is submissive, listens quietly. Overcome challenges. Whatever the challenge the family has, whatever, but overcomes the challenges. Now 8th point, you write other things, whatever, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can add on. As per you, woman's image, what are the other things you want to add on. How it is shown in the television, okay? But there is a slight change in today's film. They show the heroines doing stunts also. They are showing that the heroine protects and also tries to save sometimes the hero. So since a long time, women have been projected as weak and given a lower status. On one hand, a woman is shown to be one who does not have her own views and always seeks man's support. On the other, she is portrayed to be a cunning and manipulative person. Like on one hand, they say that, a woman is always dependent on man. And on the other side, they say she's very cunning and she's manipulative person. Now let us think about these advertisements. Most of the time, the heroine of a movie is shown in short, revealing dresses. Okay, so that you just find out in olden films it will be. So she will be a vamp. Okay, advertisements show that only those girls who are fair get married. Advertisement makes us believe that having a scar or marks on the face and body is a matter of life and death. The weight loss advertisements mostly target women. So make a list of similar advertisements that you have seen, children. Not talking much about it because you are already aware how many advertisements, keep on going on happening around us. Read this. The heroine is projected as one who is fair, beautiful, slim and tall. She is shown to depend on the hero for support. If she is not good looking, she does not get anything in life. She is shown to be very emotional, fragile and sensitive. Young girls are misled to believe that looking good is the main aim of a woman and a woman's status in society. Mainly it depends on how she looks. So that's why many of the girls give so much of importance for their looks. So with this, children, I wind up this video. Have a look at it carefully, listen carefully and understand that it is not all that looks. Of course, we need to try to look good, clean. Hygiene has to be maintained. But it's not necessary that you have to be fair skinned or, certain straight hair and all that. Because it is your work which is going to give you fame. It is your task how you perform. It is your behavior which is going to show people that what you are and what you believe in. So it's all about how is your action, how is your thinking. So do not let these advertisements hamper your growth, children. Also, do not get so much engrossed in the social media. Look at these children. They're all, students. They're all busy. They all are laughing and smiling, but not with each other, though they are sitting. 6 are sitting there. but they're not with the group, but they are with somebody else chatting over there and enjoying and happy. So that shouldn't be. It should be that social network is used for your benefit, to connect with each other, to communicate with each other, distance learning or distance communicating, but not just getting engulfed in that. So have a great day, children. Hope you must have understood the concept. So let not the advertisements take over you. Watch all the advertisements, choose the best ones which can work for you.